Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you watch this. This is Tina, and I have, man, you ever sit here and forget your words? Well, that's where at the moment I am. I'm going to leave this in there. All right. So, good morning, everybody. Good afternoon. This is Tina from Tina's Mr. Crafty Life, and I got a package in those items I bought from Sabrina _ Crafty _ Journey. Speaking of Sabrina, she also will be having a sale September 11th. So mark this down. September 11th, 6 o'clock Eastern, 5 o'clock Central, and so forth and so forth. It will be on this channel, my channel. She's going to have some good deals, guys, so come and check it out. So let's see the goodies I bought. So I got this one because I thought it was cool. With the today is the greatest. Little peace, guys. Fingers. Good vibes only. Be happy. Peace and loving. I liked it. I thought that was kind of cool. And then I liked this. This one I kept on, do I? And I thought it was so cute with the gnomes. And so I grabbed that. I love gnomes. And then I got this one. The little flower vases. It's cute. Love. Actually, what I wanted is for, and is this right here. That. Morning. And then we got the pizza. The ones Allie picked out. And I bought the dinosaur because I needed a dinosaur last year. I do have another one of dinosaurs, but this one's a little bit bigger. And then I got the whale, the fortune cookie. This one I've had, and I can't find it. And then the banner, and the rainbow, and the little cupcake. I thought it was cute. And then I thought these little girls were so darling. It reminded me of Riley and Allie. And then I bought the little penguins. Oh, the three of them. So we got the little penguins. And that one. And then this one. That is my goodies from Sabrina. And she also gave me these that she felt when she was at the bins. And I'm so cool. These are so cool. Oh, they're Harley stickers. Can't wait. So they have Harley Davidson, Harley Davidson, Harley Davidson. Oh, there's a woman on that one. That's cool. Harley Davidson. And Harley Davidson. Motorcycle cruising. Mother of the Road, Harley Davidson, and then some Harley Davidson bikes. Davidson. And that kind of looks like our bike, except my seat's better in the back. And Route 66, Copperhead, Choppers, Harley Davidson motorcycles, live to ride, ride to live, Harley Davidson. See, motor smoking, Harley Davidson. Oh, Scott's gonna like this one. Crossbones, Harley Davidson. These are so cool. Oops. Hey, that's on the back of Scott's jacket. There. That one's on the back of Scott's leather. Mine just says Harley Davidson. Yeah, when we bought our bike, the only thing we didn't buy is rain gear. But we got our chaps, got our leather jackets, we got windbreakers that go inside of it. Well, they came with their jackets. We got A tool set for the side of the road. Helmets. Got a better seat for me because the seat that was on the bike, oh, I hurt. We went for a long ride, like 4.5 hours. Yeah, we stopped in between, but I was so sore by the time I got home. I said, baby, I need a different seat. I got big butt. So we bought me a different seat. It was only like this little tiny little seat on the back of him and wasn't comfortable. But that is all the stuff I got from Sabrina. Sabrina, I love the stickers. Thank you so much. Because I tell you, them are awesome. And like I said, go check out Sabrina's sale, September 11th at 6 o'clock Eastern, 5 o'clock Central. It will be on my channel, Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.